Hi guys, welcome to Stock Influenced. I hope you are doing good. Today we will be looking into AMD stock, Q2 results, new launches, and more. Talking about AMD stock, AMD has a market capitalization of $123 billion, which is available at a very attractive PE multiple of 32. The stock has hit an all-time low of $72 and has reached an all-time high of $164. Currently, the stock is at $76, which is trading at 54% below its all-time high as I speak. Next, talking about business segments, there are total four business segments under AMD. Data center includes server microprocessors, GPUs, data processing units, DPUs, field programmable gate arrays, FPGAs, Pensando, Xilinx data center products, and adaptive system on chip SoC products for data centers. Next, the client segment primarily includes microprocessors, accelerated processing units APUs that integrates microprocessors and graphics and chipsets for desktop and notebook personal computers. Third, talking about gaming segment, which primarily includes discrete graphic processing units GPUs, semi-custom system on chip SoC products and development services. Last, the embedded segment primarily includes embedded microprocessors, GPUs, FPGAs, adaptive SoC products. Next, talking about AMD's Q2 2022 overview. The Santa Clara company has announced its quarterly results on Q2 2022 on 2nd of August. The firm has well diversified portfolio and continues to perform well in the second quarter as well. AMD's year-on-year revenue has grown from $3.8 billion in Q2 2021 to $6.6 billion in Q2 2022, which is an increase in 70% on a year-on-year basis and an 11.8% on a quarter-on-quarter growth. That is, Q1 2022 revenues were at $5.9 billion. AMD completed the acquisition of Pensando Systems in a transaction valued at approximately $1.9 billion, adding to expanded AMD's data center product portfolio with a high performance data processing units DPU and software stack. Pensando DPUs are already deployed at scale across cloud and enterprise customers including Goldman Sachs, IM, IBM Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud. Towards your left, if you see the revenue contribution by segment, data center has contributed to 22% on the total revenue. Client segment has contributed at 33%. Gaming segment has contributed to 25% of the revenue, and embedded segment has contributed to 20%. Towards your right, you will see the revenue performance by segment. Data center revenue has increased by 83% on a year-on-year basis, driven by strong sales of EPYC data center processors. Client segment has increased by 25% on a year-on-year basis, driven by Ryzen mobile processor sales. Gaming segment has increased by 32% on a year-on-year basis, strongly driven by higher semi-custom product sales, which is partially offset by graphic revenue decline. And embedded segment has increased by 2228% on a year-on-year basis, basically driven by inclusion of Xilinx embedded revenue. Next, talking about cash information, cash and cash equivalent and short-term investments are at $6 billion in Q2 2022 as compared to $3.8 billion in Q2 2021. up by 57% on a year-on-year basis. Total debt is at $2.8 billion in Q2 2022 as compared to $313 million in Q2 2021. AMD has purchased $9 to $20 million of common stocks in this quarter Q2 2022. Cash from operations was at record $1.04 billion in this quarter as compared to $952 million in Q2 2021, up by 9.3% on a year-on-year basis. Free cash flow was at $906 million in this quarter as compared to $888 million in Q2 2021, up by 2% on a year-on-year basis. Operating cash flow margin is at 16%, free cash flow margin is at 14%. Next, talking about net income and margin analysis. Net income is down from $710 million in Q2 2021 to $447 million in Q2 2022, down by 37% on a year-on-year basis. Gross margin is at 46%, down by 2 percentage points from year-on-year basis. Operating margin is at 8%, down by 14 percentage points from a year-on-year basis. Net profit margin is at 7%, down by 12 percentage points from a year-on-year basis. EPS is at $0.27 for Q2 2022, which is a 53% year-on-year decrease as compared to Q2 2021. Now talking about operating expense. Operating expense margin is at 38%, up by 12 percentage points or 151% on a year-on-year basis. The operating expense is driven by the below expense. Research and development expense increased by 97% from $659 million from Q2 2021 to $1.3 billion in Q2 2022. Marketing, general and administrative expense increased by 74% from $341 million from Q2 2021 to $592 million in Q2 2022, and this also includes amortization and acquisition related intangible expense of $1 billion. Now looking into the outlook, company has given a strong outlook for Q3 2022 of approximately $6.7 billion plus or minus $200 million of revenue. That is an increase in 55% on a year-on-year basis, driven by data centers and embedded segments. Gross margin is expected to be at 54%. AMD continues to expect to close this year with $26.3 billion plus or minus $300 million in full year revenue, which is approximately an increase in 60% over the previous year. Now looking into AMD's credit rating. AMD's current corporate credit rating have a stable outlook. Moody's rating has given an outlook of A3, whereas S&P rating has given an outlook of A-. Thank you for watching my video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover any of your favorite stocks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also please hit the bell icon to never miss my upcoming videos.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making